backdrop for the party. And once we started to place the my mother's sculptures in here, I felt like everything married and came together, and it was a dance. So and that's important. We have a band that's playing 9 decades of music. My mother was born in 1924. What song did we get from 1924?
Whispering.
Whispering. Play a note.
Unfortunately, that's a little hard to do right now.
Anyway, we hope that you all can drink and enough to lubricate your muscles and dance. And yes, I want to thank my mother for the creativity that lives on and through all of us. Sometimes yes. My mother didn't teach me much about structure.
She's a wonderful visual artist, but that's what she changed her medium, and food is now her art.
Anise, come up.
Anise, where's Anise, do we find you, Anise?
She's outside.
Oh, could someone call her, please? Could you come on in?
I'll go get her.
Taj, Corinne, Scott, Eric, all of us who have your blood. And then there's I don't know what the name is.
Isn't this?
Yeah.
She is. Here we are.
Yay.
Kaj. That would mean Kaj, Corinne, Eric, and Scott. If we want the most immediate family right nearby. I don't know if they are in the sound of my voice, but a big gratitude for everyone showing up to have a lovely time.
Thank you all for coming to celebrate my grandmother, who is, as we all know, an absolute force of nature. And we are all grateful to her for sharing with us her absolutely unique, special spirit.
Woo!
Can you all gather closer?
Okay.
You don't need easy. Go on.
Scott has something to say.
There's really not enough you can say about our grandmother. I think it's best put the way that Japa has. She is a force of nature. She is lively. She never quits, never gives up. Has a one recent memory, and actually my fiance has the same memory of my grandmother. We went to see the fireworks down at Fort Freedoms Park a few years ago, and they shut down the park for overcrowdedness, but Grandma has her ways, and we made it in just in time to start to see the fireworks, and we had a great night. And so that's if that doesn't describe her, then I don't know what does.
Fireworks describe.